guys, I'm Natalie. Welcome to the Daily Devo. Today we're going to be talking about trust. One of the great promises of the Bible is found in the book of Proverbs, written by the King Solomon, the wisest man who ever lived. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6 says, let's read it. It says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek his will in all you do, and he will show you which path to take." If you're anything like me, it's quite difficult to trust anyone nowadays. Have you ever received a call from someone saying you've won $1 million and all you have to do is send $1,000 to receive the grand prize? It's all lies, all scams. Or maybe you've had moments where someone broke your trust, and since then it has been so difficult to trust anyone, including Jesus. But here King Solomon encourages us to trust the Lord. He encourages us to trust him with all of our hearts. You see, when we trust in something or someone, we're placing our security in that something or someone. For example, I absolutely trust my earthly father. You see, I grew up in Texas where weather is always so unpredictable. At the age of 8, my family and I, we were stuck in the middle of a twister, and it was absolutely terrifying. For many years, I was terrified of storms. When I'd hear thunder and see lightning, I would panic, and the only person that could get me through these moments was my dad. I remember many times when my dad knew the weather was going to be bad, he would come home, he would place a blanket over us, and just sit with me during these storms. You see, I have total and complete confidence in his strength, integrity, and so much more. I trust in him because I know he will protect me and do what's best for me. In the same way, our Heavenly Father is perfectly trustworthy and faithful. Yet if you and I do not take time to get to know him, we will never come to trust him. I encourage you today, trust the Lord with all your heart. Talk to him today and surrender your anxiety and surrender your worry to him. And lastly, lean not on your own understanding. Leaning not on your own understanding is to lean completely to the strong arms of our God. It means to not rely on ourselves, essentially letting go of what we think we know and letting God take the helm of what he perfectly knows.